positions we have. Well, Neo's going to be a longer term one. ADM hanging out right where it was. It's actually, is it up now? It's down just a couple cents, nothing going on there. Capital One, that one is hovering on unchanged. Go figure, everything's unchanged. Under Armour, literally unchanged. How's that possible? But that is a March 8th holding, and then we got EA, which was looking a little bit stronger. Now it's off a little bit, but that is a March 1st, so nothing to do there. And other than that, what just signaled for us was that, at least we don't have that many to look at yet. Was that Southwest? Nope. And maybe Roku? Yeah, Roku coming back down to earth here. I'll set a new alert because we haven't finished our first bar yet. It's coming right back. We're going to be, the whole gap is going to be 30 cents or less, so that won't even be worth playing. So Roku's going to be off the board, and then we got U.S. Steel that's just taking off, so I don't know that that's going to come back into play. But let's see, what else do we got going on here on the breakout? Markets are basically right where I said that they were, maybe a couple basis points higher. Qs are outpacing everything else. Not a whole lot going on as far as what any sort of momentum trades that we have.